The Experience Experts, marketing for boutique travel destinations. Hi, I'm Lynan Saperstein from The Experience Experts, a marketing and advertising agency for boutique hotels and resorts around the world, just like you. Today we're going to be talking about Instagram, which is really blowing up in the travel industry, but specifically in hospitality. A lot of hotels are asking my agency tons of questions about working with influencers, what kind of photography to use. The questions are endless. So I wanted to create a video where we dove in and we covered as much as we could about Instagram and why your boutique hotel and resort or retreat center needs to be on the platform and how to utilize it to get the most out of the platform. I think there are a lot of hotels out there that are using the platform and not using it well, not being strategic, not having intentions, not having a plan to actually get bookings at the end of the posting or whatever they're doing on Instagram. Instagram is a platform that sells your hotel with images. So you need to have high res, high quality, gorgeous images that capture your hotel and the experience of being at your hotel. So when you're doing this, you can work with an on-site person, so you can have a staff member whose specialty is photography and social media, but you also can really easily work with an agency or someone that is actually outside of your city, your state, or even your country. And I think a lot of properties are afraid to do this, but they're some of the most amazing experts on the planet, and they might not be in your city or in your state. So be open to actually reaching out and working with someone who's outside of your comfort zone. Additionally, Instagram is a really powerful platform for you to actually share the experience of being on your property through the images and also video, because Instagram TV, IGTV is growing rapidly. This is a way that you can show little glimpses, little moments around your property that a potential guest will experience. So even if it's showing a quick, maybe 30-second to 2-minute video of the breakfast buffet, or a little room tour, or showing a view from a particularly amazing suite that overlooks maybe the ocean or a lake or the pool, just showing those little tiny moments can be a make or break moment for someone to book your hotel. And if you're sharing that on Instagram, people are going to find it. The thing about hotels' Instagram is it's not just that one moment, that one instant connection of images. Potential guests are going back. They're looking at images and video from a month ago, 6 months ago, even years before. And we're seeing this. We're seeing the engagement. We're seeing the likes. We're seeing the comments. So we know that all of the content that you put on your social media platform, specifically on Instagram around your hotel, is going to be helping to sell your property for years to come. So you want to spend the time, you want to take the time to really nurture this content, plan it out, and have a strategy. Additionally, you should be posting consistently. This is the number one piece of advice I can give you, is don't post when you think about it. Put it in your calendar. Have a scheduled time each week or every single day or every other day, a consistent schedule that you're following for your Instagram to be posting. And if you're starting to get a lot of followers and a lot of engagement, I really encourage you to be posting daily or every other day. Also, the next most important part from posting is engaging. So engagement can be a mystery to a lot of hotels. How do you do it? What do you do? So really, the most simple way you can engage is if someone likes or comments on one of your posts, go back to their account, like and comment on some of their posts, and possibly follow them as well. And it's that simple. Another thing you can do is outreach engagement. And outreach engagement is actually searching hashtags that are applied to your hotel, your destination, your city. Maybe if you're a retreat center, maybe it's yoga, wellness, fitness. And you're gonna go and you're gonna comment and like and engage with accounts that are on those hashtags. So it's really simple, but you actually have to spend the time engaging on the platform. And this actually helps your account. If you're on the platform, actually participating in the Instagram game, the algorithm likes you and more people are going to see your posts. So when you're jumping into the Instagram game, make sure that you're creating high quality, gorgeous photos that are really representing your property, and make sure they're vertical, nice and tall and beautiful for people to see in their feed. And also make sure you're posting consistently, making sure that you have a strategy and an intentional plan to get those bookings, and you're engaging. You're doing engagement with the people who are already showing up on your account, but also doing some outreach engagement and jumping on some of the hashtags and maybe even some of your competitors' photos and commenting and liking on their followers too. So the Instagram game might feel like somewhere where you're uncertain and there's unknown, but I hope this video helped you find some steps, some things you can easily implement today and start engaging and creating an amazing strategy on Instagram for your hotel. And if you're struggling or you're hitting any obstacles with creating an Instagram or social media strategy for your hotel, the Experience Experts are here to help. We'd love to talk to you about your goals, what you're trying to accomplish, and hopefully we can create a proposal for you so you can start working with us soon. Visit our website, theexperienceexperts.com, and schedule a strategy call today. We are looking forward to connecting with you soon.